polar bear, Mama. I finally found you. Mama, you'll never believe what happened. The sun woke me up.
Protecting wildlife is our responsibility. I made a printed model of the little bear with its mother. Driven by gears, the little bear can interact with its mother. Each component is printed through a 3D printer. It can be seen that the accuracy of 3D printer printing determines the degree of coordination of each part. We use this Nova model from Goofoo for printing. It is a professional level FDM model. Nova can print PLA, ABS, ASA, TPU, TPE, carbon fiber, and so on. The 400 degrees Celsius hot-end unit is available for high-temperature filament printing. The acrylic window door has excellent design and quality. If you like this model, you can contact me. I will send you the model parameters. After printing with Nova, we will start stitching. This is the appearance of the finished product after it comes out. I hope everyone can cherish and protect wild animals. Don't let the tragedy of Little Bear repeat itself.